Okay, so you're going to tell me how fireworks explode. Ooh, beautiful display. Okay.
I'm Aven, and I'm going to tell you about fireworks.
Okay. Where are you going to start?
History.
History. Okay.
Da-da-da-da. Fireworks were first invented by the Chinese. Fireworks date back to 1080, when gunpowder was used first in China to create celebrational explosions in the sky.
Wonderful. Okay.
Renaissance period in Europe developed the kind of fireworks we know today.
Good. Cool. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, up here now? Where are we at? This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The entire process of making fireworks is hand craftsmanship because using metal tools or machinery could cause explosions. A tiny spark of static could set off a firework.
Ooh, so they have to all be made by hand, no tools and machines.
Rubber gloves, that way your hands don't static anything.
Okay, cool. Now what are we going to do? Facts? Okay, facts. So
behind the fireworks.
Okay.
Two main types of aerial shells used for fireworks shows. Italian style shell can create more elaborate effects. Oriental style shell produces spherical bursts.
Very good.
This is the quick match fuse.
Okay.
The time delay fuse.
Okay.
And the bursting charge is in here.
Okay.
The stars are the little round things that you'll see.
That we see the colors?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The lifting charge is at the bottom.
That's what shoots it up in the air.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it gets shot up into the air first.
And then there's the paper case that seals it all together.
Okay. And then this makes it explode out.
Mm-hmm.
And then these make all of the colors.
And shapes.
Okay, so let's talk about that. So what does it say?
Fireworks are made to be tight so they have a bigger explosion. Stars are separate from the part that makes the boom. One is usual, one is
visual, one is audible. Okay, so they have a special thing just for the boom, and then they have a special thing for the sparkles, this prettiness, and then they're bound really tight.
So they have
a big explosion. Oh, okay, that's interesting.
And like these.
Like those. Okay, those are exploding pretty big. So let's come back to the shapes. Tell me about the shapes.
Shapes of fireworks come from how stars are arranged inside the shell to make happy faces, hearts, Saturns, and Mickey Mouses. So here we have a Saturn,
happy face,
and then Saturn, and then some hearts, and this is a picture I drew. This would be Saturn. Right here.
Is that how they lay out the stars inside?
And then if it goes up, it will still be laying like that. When it explodes, it'll look like that.
Cool. Okay.
And that, when it does the same thing, and when it goes up, it makes that.
Okay.
And this does the same thing, and it makes that.
Cool. And you got them on your shirt too. So let's see. Let's see what you got. So you've got the big exploding ones, and you got a heart. You got a smiley face. And you got some shooting stars. Very cool. Okay.
Those are kind of like these.
So these are your favorites. Oh, there's you with some fireworks.
And there's me with some fireworks. And there's me with a sparkler.
Being the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah.
Okay. Are these your favorite places that you like to see fireworks? Paris. Oh yes. New York.
London,
that'd be fun.
And Disneyland.
We've seen them there. So now, what are these?
That's, I think, in Australia, and that is a launch pad.
A launch pad. So they put the fireworks out on a barge like that. Okay.
And that's just a launch pad for a little tiny
display.
City.
Okay, a littler thing. But that's pretty cool. And how do they shoot them off?
With computers.
Computers. And what is this?
Those are the shells.
The shells where they put these in down.
Gunpowder and the explosives.
These. Okay. They drop them in.
Let's go to colors.
Colors.
Now,
okay.
Metals mixed with oxygen producers, fuel, and binders to hold it all together are mixed, cut, and rolled into balls to create stars.
Oh.
These stars will create the colors of the firework.
Okay.
Now, red is strontium
and lithium
salts burn in the color of red.
Red.
Magnesium and aluminum burn in the color of white. Sodium compounds and sodium nitrate burn in the color of yellow. A mixture of strontium, and copper will burn in the color of purple. Burning aluminum, titanium, or magnesium, or powder or flakes will burn in the color of silver.
Okay.
Green. Barium chloride burns in the color of green.
Okay.
Copper burns in the color of blue. And incandescence of iron charcoal and charcoal
okay.
burn in the color of gold.
Gold. So there's all the different colors.
Mhm.
These are really beautiful colors.
What about this? This is really cool.
Your display is falling.
Well, there's those two.
Well, you did a fantastic job on fireworks, and I know a lot more about how fireworks work, and your display is beautiful. You did a good job and a lot of research. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.